guys, today I want to come on and do a review on this new set of lamps I just got, and I'm super excited. I love how modern they look. They were super easy to put together and they're gorgeous now. They're going to be incredibly useful as there's going to be 2 USB spots right on the bottom, and then there's also going to be a plug-in right next to it. So you can have things charging, you can have your mug warmers or anything that you can be plugged into this lamp. Super easy to turn on just by one button, and it's going to come with 2 bulbs that are going to be nice and warm. So it's going to be feeling really welcoming in your living room, in your bedroom, anything like that. There's going to be some black with some wood accents, so it's just gorgeous, and like I said, really nice and modern, and it's going to add a lot of touch to your home. I love that you're going to get 2, they're a complete set, and you can just add some decorations around it. Christmas is coming up. I think this is the perfect gift to give any homeowner, and again, it's super easy to have and easy to put together. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.